Hi, this is Stacy Consultancy. Today's lesson is joining two columns into one column together in Excel. How can we do this? Well, suppose we have a first name and a last name column, and we would like to join those two fields in one field, in one cell. How do we do this in Excel? Well, first of all, we hit the plus key, and we will make use today of a formula called concatenate. And concatenate, you start hitting the C button, and then you search for the concatenate formula, and this brings you a function. And this, hit the enter key, and excuse me, once again, concatenate selected by hitting twice the mouse key, and then go into the function, and then it opens this windows here. So you can see this window. First of all, you see here the function arguments is concatenate. You have the text 1, that is the field that, or the cell that you would like to bring at first, and that's the second, and further on you will see what happened. So suppose you would like to join the first name and the last name into cell D. So you place your cursor on cell D, which we already did, and then we go into the cell called where we see the name Frank. Suppose that we would like to put some space. We just enter the space bar once, and then we go to, and you see what happened then? You have here the codes with a space in between. You hit on the last name where you see Jones, and then you have here Frank space Jones, and the result is Frank Jones, and that is what you can see also here, Frank Jones. You see, there is just one limitation, as what it says here. Text 1 and text 2 are in 255 text strings to be joined into a single text string, and can be text strings, numbers, or single references. So hit the OK button, and in that case you will see here Frank Jones is joined together. If you would like to do this for the rest of the cells, what you do is you copy and paste it as far as you want, and you click on the paste button. Now if you browse in the cells now, what you will see is just the formula. You will see there, you will see the formula, excuse me. You see the formula once I pin here, and then you can see the formula. So suppose that you would like to change Joe Braxton into Joe Brandon. See what happened? Joe Brandon. And say you would like to change Farola Payson in Winnie Payson, and that's it. The only problem is that if you delete, say, one of these columns, look what will happen. Say I delete it, oops, this is what you get, error messages. So you don't want that. The same thing happen if you delete this column. See, here you have those things. So you don't want to end it up in this. So what you do to make sure that you have the right one here, just what you need to do is go in here in this, copy it, and you can paste it here and paste the space special and just use the paste values. In that case, you will have the same thing display, but the difference will be in this section we will have here the formula, but in this it will be only the name. So if I change here now, say Jones to Jackson, you have Frank Jackson, but you will not end it up here in Frank Jackson. That is the only thing that will happen. So this is the lesson for today. Thanks watching Stacy Consultancy, and next time we will give you some more lesson about Excel and using Excel features.